Hello everyone, welcome to this Trinity B1 English speaking practice. In this video, we'll use simple English to help you prepare for the UK visa or citizenship exam. Today's topic is food and cooking. Let's get started. Good morning. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Maria Lopez.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain, from a city near Madrid.
Where do you live now?
I live in Birmingham in the UK with my husband and my daughter.
How long have you lived in the UK?
I have lived here for 4 years.
Why did you come to the UK?
I came to the UK for work and also because I wanted my daughter to have a good education.
How did you travel here today?
I came by bus. It was quite fast, about 20 minutes, and it is also cheap.
What topic have you chosen for today?
Today I would like to talk about food and cooking. I will speak about Spanish food, cooking at home, shopping for food, eating out, and trying new dishes.
What traditional food do you have in Spain?
In Spain, we have many traditional dishes like paella, tortilla, and churros. These are very famous, and many tourists love to try them.
Which Spanish food do you like the most?
I really love paella because it has rice, seafood, chicken, and vegetables. It is colorful, tasty, and reminds me of my family.
Do you cook Spanish food in the UK?
Yes, I sometimes cook Spanish dishes at weekends. During the week, I am busy, but at weekends, I prepare special meals for my family.
Do your family like Spanish food?
Yes, they enjoy it a lot. My husband likes tortilla, and my daughter's favorite is churros with chocolate.
Do you often cook at home?
Yes, I cook almost every day. I like preparing dinner after work. I usually cook pasta, chicken, and soups because they are quick and healthy. On Sundays, I sometimes make Spanish food.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, very much. Cooking is not only for eating, it is also a way to show love to my family. Sometimes I also invite friends, and I enjoy preparing food for them.
Where do you usually buy food?
I usually buy food in the supermarket near my house. It has everything I need, from fresh vegetables to meat and bread.
Do you buy food once a week or more often?
I usually buy food 3 times a week because I prefer fresh vegetables and fruit.
Do you buy Spanish ingredients in the UK?
Yes, sometimes I buy Spanish ingredients in special shops or online. For example, I order Spanish rice for paella.
Do you like eating in restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy eating in restaurants, especially when I don't have time to cook. It is also nice for special family days.
What kind of restaurants do you go to?
We like Italian restaurants because of the pasta and pizza. Sometimes we go to Chinese or Indian restaurants to try something different.
Do you prefer home cooking or restaurants?
I prefer home cooking because it is healthier and cheaper, but sometimes I like restaurants for a change.
Are you open to trying new food?
Yes, I like to try new food, especially desserts. I think it is exciting to taste different cultures.
Please ask me one question about food.
What food do you usually eat at home?
At home, I usually eat simple meals like pasta, salad, and sometimes chicken.